What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Quick little video, little update on the Z because they got some new wheels. Picked them up last night for a crazy stupid deal that I could not pass up. I wanted to do coils before wheels, but like I said, it was a stupid crazy deal. I gave my stock wheels and 250 on top for these RPF ones, 18 by 10.5 all the way around. So it's a square setup, 10.5. So it's worth a little bit more money than a stagger setup. And yeah, they have good tires all around. Yeah, it looks fucking good. I'm cleaning the wheels right now because it's mad dirty. Especially the front wheels are crazy dirty. So let me get this cleaned up real quick. Probably put in a time lapse. I'll show you guys how I clean my wheels. Yup. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Look how dirty this is. Mad dirty. I'll show you how it turned out over here on this side. Yeah, big difference. Like I said in one of my past videos, this is what I use. I think it's the best one, honestly. We're out here at Cars and Coffee, Palm Beach. We pulled over the Nismo. Sheesh. Clean as RX-7. LS3 in it. This thing right here is crazy. RB. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got some pretty nice clips at Cars and Coffee. I was the only Nismo there, but honestly, overall there wasn't many Z's. There was like 4 Z's. I think the one next to me was an HR. I don't know about the other one. Yeah, not much VQs. I mean, there was a couple like Qs I saw, a few Gs. I think like 2 370s, but HRs, not much. Let me know what you guys think about the car, how it's looking. Trust me, it's gonna get coils in about, I'll say like 2-3 weeks. Save up some money, because you know we broke out here. And we'll probably go with some BCs, most likely. The only thing I don't like about right now is my tire setup. It has 265/45 in the back. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but that's a really tall tire. And I think in the front it has a 265/35. So we gotta do something about that. At least get a 40 profile in the front. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.